Hi, my name is Jack Norwood. I'm a student at CSUSM, a part of the Business Administration program. These are things that every prospective student would want to know. Class seats are guaranteed. Having a small cohort size, being like 30 students, and I'm guaranteed a seat in every single one of my classes and I don't have to stress about that, is so invaluable. It's 2 days a week, but it is like at least 12 units. It's a full-time student program, and so like carving out time to be a full-time student is like my biggest piece of advice. Be ready to participate. This is gonna be very hands-on. These classes are gonna be really focused on real-world applications and case studies and not lecture and paper exam. I have had a lot of opportunities to use the skills that I am learning in the classroom. I got to represent the university in a very professional capacity at State of the Cities, and I got to sit down and represent the university, but more importantly, I got to represent myself professionally, and I got to practice my networking skills, and it was amazing. I don't think any student should pass this up. If you are looking at this program, my best piece of advice would be just do it. Say yes to opportunity. I now know what it's like to be a part of such a warm and welcoming community. The professors and staff have been instrumental in my success. And when it comes to my academic advising staff, I mean, they are the absolute best. And they have not only been so instrumental in my academic success, but personally and professionally, they have been able to really change my life. I now get to walk across the stage and accept my diploma, and I get to say, we did it. I get to really remember and give a lot of reverence when I look at my degree and say, we did this, and I get to remember everyone who helped me along the way.